Welcome to lesson 66 of algebraic concept, multi-step inequalities with grouping symbols. So we're still dealing with multi-step inequalities. Uh, Rules and notes, you can pause the video and read those. Okay, so let's look at what we do here. Our first grouping. Okay, since the 2 is being multiplied to the group, I will just divide both sides by 2. And then we're left with w plus 4 plus w is greater than 18. And then 2w plus 4 is greater than 18, combining like terms. Subtract 4, 2w is greater than 14, divide by 2, w is greater than 7. So we graph it, put a 0 for reference, a 7, open circle, and every number bigger than 7, not including 7, is in the solution set. Okay, again, the 6 is outside the group, so it's just easier to divide both sides by 6. And you have a minus 2 is less than negative 3. Add 2 to both sides, and then a becomes negative 1. A is less than negative 1, so 0 for reference, negative 1 is to the left, and it's all going left, and there you go. That's pretty simple. So those were our 2 examples for this lesson. I will meet you at the end of the video for a recap. Okay, so hopefully you divided both sides by negative 2. Now you have to remember, when you divide by a negative, you have to switch the signs. And then you get d plus 3. So you subtract 3 from both sides. Negative 5 is less than or equal to d. We're going to reverse everything. D is greater than or equal to negative 5. So we just flipped everything around. And when you flip everything around, you flip everything around. Now, when you divide by a negative up in the first line, we divided by that negative. We had to flip the sign only. But when we flip everything around, everything gets flipped around, including the sign. So beware of that. So 0, negative 5, includes negative 5 because it's underlined, and all numbers bigger than and equal to negative 5 is in the solution set. Okay, so Get rid of the multiplication by multiplying both sides by 6. It cancels out. You get 7x minus 10x is less than or equal to negative 24. Negative 3x is less than or equal to negative 24. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. X is greater than or equal to positive 8. So there we go. 0, 8. 8 is included because this comparison is underlined, and all numbers bigger than or equal to negative 8. So if I went a little fast, go back and watch some of the earlier videos in this series about how to deal with multiplication and division of inequalities. But as we move up, I'm going to expect that you watch those, and I might move a little bit faster. So again, thanks for watching. You can always go back and watch earlier videos, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you on the next video.